Seeing the world through someone else's eyes, a motto that could soon become true for people in need. The Wake Forest Institute for Regenerative Medicine will bring scientists, doctors, and other industry experts together to make whole eye transplants a reality.
Eye transplantation is one of the most audacious experiments out there in the field of transplantation. Eye transplants are unlike organ transplants because they're extremely challenging to perform, and beyond that, eyes are connected to the brain. In fact, they're an extension of the brain.
We're looking at coming into the space with kidneys, targeting a 2027 to 2028 timeframe. And this exciting research that we're doing for eyes will yet to be determined, but we definitely look forward to being able to enable something as profound as this and bringing sight back to the blind.
This research is funded in part by the Advanced Research Projects Agency for Health. The team works to advance and create cutting-edge medical devices, artificial intelligence integrations, new surgical techniques, and more.